Man's gotta let Joe know. Then it was a cave, let's get that door. Let me kill a detonation. I come with
All of to I go by the birth name of Simpiwe. My stage name is Master Mpiwes, aka the West Ever. West Nation up in this.
Yeah, the name of Razor Blade Dog. Nothing much, West Nation up in this.
Yeah, Lulu Able G, aka the Able Gangster, representing West Nation.
Yeah, back to Casa up in this, you know what it is.
SBK representing.
Yeah, damn. Hey, the show, I personally think it was doper than before. Everything the setup was on point. The sound was on point. I mean, the artist who came on the stage, man, just put the stage on fire. The crowd was hella dope. I don't know. Yo, as I was saying, the crowd was hella dope, dog. Like when we first came on the stage, our first track, it wasn't like a turn-up track. It was just music, good music for the people, and they seemed to enjoy. And then
the response
was dope, and it was for the first time we performed it here at Back to Kasi, that track in Kanako. So I think they were proper. Yeah. The crowd was proper.
Yeah, we're expecting more artists to come down, as performing regularly, that shit. And I don't know, just like that. Keep on pushing. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think the show is growing.
We'll keep growing each and every year. Yeah.
Talking of obstacles, I think the stage.
Yeah.
There was a time now, shiting up, shining up, like everybody was going crazy stage, and maybe next time I'm gonna something flat. Just an idea. Yeah, like Nama cruise, maybe abantu bakhona bayi-4. Sometimes kule 4 then artists are pick up to make it proper. Yeah, but anyway, khali kangaka ishow was dope. Nama mic was lingana besikwazi ukuwashare the way kufuneka ngakhona. No DJ beka shaya isibani sakhe. Shout out to the DJ. Yeah. Okay. I'd like to salute Amanyora, organizers way Back to Kasi. The show was dope, and we share bangakula kube far more better than it is right now. And then shout out to us, man, for
check us on Facebook, our page, West Nation.
At West Nation SA1. Ihlangene ayinama underscore at West Nation SA1. And then on Facebook, West Nation. And then my personal Facebook, Master Mpiwes. My personal Twitter at Master Mpiwes. Yeah.
That's all. Ray Marines. That's all. Email. Shout out to my friend Lavesh and nobody.
Yeah. Salute to everybody. To stages Back to Kasi on that night, to keep this hip hop, we need to grow like the way it's growing right now. So salute. Shout out to Vegeta all the way from Cape Town.
Since when we pause on a weak flow, Lano face on better, fuck that, we out here. We stand and frost down, we don't play, Masang Petezami, traffic, convoy. Essence of shit, mark, Pelelo bushes, Mashaya nega kulunga tunzelanga masemba. Siyame bomb sana mole zone go mark, one leading para, nagi hater zara.
POS, Sulumsindo Magena, Lepova, Lempera, Mankokota, Mabraka, Yesha, Nequamas, Yaketa Bega, Nuskumbilas, Boily Kesa, keeping it G, Kogi 9 to 5 like Nyatesha, Bosso like Jeba Wenu, Yoso forever, I ain't doing it better, I'm taking it fair, I say whatever, I just let it out. Any shit, I just bang it out, they kept you in the dark for some time, I'm about to light it up. Yeah.
firikani ke kena ke sukutsane ke olla le mapengana ke sala ke spy ke sia le fifilo na le tsepane masepa ke le lonyana tsa lona tse spane a ke chai ka lona di fele kwane la kgantsetsa ke le swetsa le sermane
Yeah.